Ornamentholics, and if this is your first time here, it's a pleasure to meet you. My name's Peggy. Welcome to my studio. And if you could just click on that red subscribe button, and then when the bell icon appears, if you click on all in the drop-down menu, YouTube should notify you every time I upload a video. And if all of you could just smash that like button, it really helps my videos and channel grow. Okay, Christmas plans have changed. I think I got a little too ambitious for my first Christmas on YouTube, and working on it. So instead of this week being ornaments and next week being gifts and things, we're just going to kind of mix it together and just kind of do it on a wing and a prayer. So this video is just to get you prepared for what's coming up later this week, probably Saturday. We're going to make an ornament, and what you're going to need is, I'm telling you ahead of time because some painting has to be done, or Mod Podging. You're going to need one of these little hanging terrariums. I got it at Dollar Tree. And it's actually pretty thick plastic. And you need to decide if you're going to want a hanging ornament. If not, this needs to be removed. I mean, we can cover, it'll be covered, no problem. But you need to remove that. And Dollar Tree also has, like, so I guess I should have had this open, huh? Sorry about that. Oops. I didn't think of that. Actually, you know, here's one that I painted this one, but it'll still work. They have these little wooden planks that are, they're unfinished wood. And if you want it, you can make it like just a sitting ornament. So it looks like that. You can sit on a table or whatever. Mine, I'm going to make it hanging for the tree. Put those aside. You're also going to need a set of the little fairy lights. You're going to need some kind of fake snow. And trust me, I did not get this at Pottery Barn. It was, whenever they bought it, it was $10 at Pottery Barn. I paid $2.99 at Goodwill. Trust me, I don't pay those prices. What you're going to need to paint is the ball itself. I'm going to try to paint mine with like red metallic paint or red glitter paint or something. I don't think it's going to stick very well, honestly. So what I probably will end up doing is just Mod Podging it and putting like red glitter on it. But you'll need to have that covered if you want to work along with me in the next video. And all the way covered, bottom, all the way around. I wouldn't worry about the hanger part yet. I'm not sure what we're going to do with that. Probably cover it with ribbon or something. But you want to make sure that the hole here stays open. And you're also going to want some either little figurines or some kind of paper cutouts or something that you can put inside to make a scene in the ornament. So, like I said, I'm just giving you guys a couple of days to get everything together and get everything ready. And so I can practice with painting and see if it works or not. And that's what we'll be doing. And I will see you guys on Saturday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.